Hello everyone. Let's talk about another most frequently asked questions, and it is how to maintain separate context for multi-user chatbot. So let's say you have created a subscription-based service which is providing service like LLM chatbot, and you want to allow multiple users to connect to it. So when multiple users are connecting, definitely they all will have separate context, separate data, or whatever they are talking about. They don't want to mix up with another user. So how can we handle this scenario? So, and I'm sure that most of you are already aware of this, but this video is for those few audience who are not very much aware about maintaining the context or maintaining the chat history between the conversation of different users. So let's have a quick look at the tip. So the tip here is to maintain the session. Now, whatever web framework you are using, whether it is Django, Flask, or anything else, in fact, almost every framework provides a built-in session management capabilities, and that capability allows us to store data across multiple requests or multiple users. Now, that is the key thing which we need to use in order to maintain the session. Now, for how to maintain the session, that is the biggest thing. So the framework will help you out, and for every user, whenever he or she is connecting to the system, it's our responsibility to generate a unique session ID. Now, how to construct that unique session ID is completely on you, whether you associate the subscription ID along with their name or any other thing. But the idea here is to come up with a unique session ID so that we can use the same session ID to save the chat or save the context, and the same session ID will be used to retrieve back the context. So that is the tip for this session. And whenever you are saving the data, it's good to go with some database, or even you can save it in a dictionary. It's completely on you, but the only key thing which you need to remember here is the unique session ID has to be associated to just one chat snippet. It should not mix up with other sessions which are going in parallel. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and thanks for watching.